Welcome to the Nature Channel. We are working on the human race of albinos. Let's go. Now we have to be very, very quiet. It's the Nature Channel. Oh my god. In nature, the albino in its baby form.
I still got it!
It is so cute and deadly. One touch by it and you'll die. And she caught the balloon. Now, we're going.
No, no, no! Not to me! Not to my house!
Take two on the Nature Channel. We are here in the human race, albino. I just said the word wrong, but form. Is everybody ready? Oh, there's the baby form again. It is cute but deadly. There were two lovers making on a bed.
Like, so when she's mean, instead of like screaming into a pillow, she'll
There's the albino playing his. Oh wait. Okay, there's the albino playing his horsey game. Why is he playing the horsey game? We don't know. We believe he is angered because he just lost $6,000. He's angry and upset. The albino walked right past us. Lucky he didn't touch us. We follow him.
Not in my house! Not in my house! No, no, no!
There's another albino in its nature, looking like Justin Bieber with glasses. And then we had the black mamba!
The Black Riots!
Ah, go! He's gonna kill us! Go! If I die today, tell my mother I love her, and tell my wife and kids they should all die! Ah! Ah!
Put a little hip into it.
The albinos are hungry, and they need something to eat. But I am not them. Ah! Oh my god! He's coming right at us! Oh my god! I think the camera heard you there, albino. I do not trust you! You are my biggest enemy! Okay, they don't see me. Not in my house.
No, not in my house.
Okay, they were very stupid. If you just stay in one spot. If they just stay in one spot, you will not be seen. And I said they instead of you. This has been a very dangerous mission. But now, we must go in and attack! We must attack for human race! Ah! 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 Tell my... Oh my god, never mind, don't tell anyone anything.